So we got some wrap snacks. We got this one, and this one. We're gonna try Romeo
Hello.
Miller's first.
I'm right here at SunTrust, right here by
I'm really
downtown.
thinking that Dapper Ranch, it is the best because
Yep.
I've seen some videos.
SunTrust, yeah.
That don't smell good. Smell. That don't smell it. Well, let's see how they taste. It's good.
Scoot back, so.
Good. Taste them. Taste them. Taste them. They're good. For real. They're not bad. They're not bad, but they're not really good, but they're good. You're good?
Mm-hmm.
They're not? They are. Right. They are. Tell you what. I like the bag. The bags are hard. They're really hard. Oh yeah, that was barbecue with honey. And this honey jalapeno. I'm gonna need my drink for this one probably. Alright. This smell alright.
Mm-hmm.
They're not good. Oh, really spicy. Spicy. There it is. They're spicy. Hey, take my drink. Take my drink.
Hold on, wait. Here, hold your drink.